Hello, my CA warriors. Punarvas Jaikumar here. I'm a chartered accountant, passionate trainer. In the last 10 years, I've trained over 15,000 CA students. I am partnering with Unacademy for CA Foundation in this very own 100% English CA Foundation channel by Unacademy. So before we start today's session, my dear friends, I just want to talk to you a couple of minutes about something very important. So please listen in. First of all, please join my Telegram channel. It's called t.me/pjlaw. In this, I'll be giving you a lot of updates. I'll be sharing notes. I'll be sharing quizzes. There'll be a lot of polls, and I will get to interact with each of you. So if you are a CA Foundation student, and if you prefer learning in 100% English, join my Unacademy CA Foundation channel, PJ Law. In Unacademy, we have two very important and interesting subscription packages. The first one is called as Iconic. The second one is called as Plus. There is personal guidance, live classes, weekly tests, proper study planner, study material, expert guidelines, test analysis. All other things will take care. You just study. Rather than you doing everything in life, allow us to do something for you. Everything will take care, and all you need to do, my dear friends, is just study. We have India's best educators on Unacademy, and you should go in for an Unacademy subscription. Sir, let me try out first. Please download the Unacademy app, register yourself, and go through the so many wonderful educators videos that they have put up, so that you can definitely crack it. So two packages. One is called the Plus package. So 24 months package, 12 months package, 6 months package, 3 months package. You can see the rates here. Sir, what is Plus? In CA Foundation subscription called as Plus, you have India's best educators, interactive live classes, structured courses and PDFs, live tests and quizzes. Sir, I want something more. I want a personal coach. I want printed books. No problem, dear friends. You can go for the Iconic subscription. Everything you get the same as the Plus subscription, but two extra things, personal coach and printed books as well. And what is it that is blinking down? If you use my code PJSirLaw, PJSirLaw, you will get 10% discount. So guys, in today's concept capsule, we'll be discussing the various forms of delivery of goods. Again, this is very important to understand various forms of delivery of goods. Let us see. Various forms of delivery of goods. Just a sec. Right. So, as far as delivery of goods are concerned, we have three types. Actual delivery of goods, constructive delivery of goods, and symbolic delivery of goods. Actual delivery of goods, constructive delivery of goods, and symbolic delivery of goods. Actual delivery, constructive delivery, and symbolic delivery. What do you mean by that? Let's quickly go ahead right now. First, actual delivery means what, guys? First of all, what do you mean by delivery? Delivery is transfer of possession or ownership. Transfer of possession or ownership. Transfer of possession or ownership? Transfer of possession. Because guys, if it is sale, then it is transfer of ownership. Here, sale would have already happened. I am handing over the possession. So that is called as delivery. And can I show a knife or can I show a gun and then ask you to deliver the goods? No, that cannot be done. The delivery, the transfer must be voluntary. Voluntary transfer of possession. Right? Voluntary transfer of possession of goods. So goods are getting transferred from one person to another person. That is called delivery of goods. Voluntary transfer of possession. Goods are getting delivered from one person to another person. Voluntary transfer of possession. We have actual goods, constructive, symbolic. Three types of delivery. Actual delivery means what, guys? Yuvraj sells the goods to Mohammed Kaif. When Yuvraj sells the goods to Mohammed Kaif, when he sells actually, what will be transferred? The goods he will hand over to him. Maybe a simple packet of biscuit. Parle-G. This biscuit is handed over to Mohammed Kaif. So obviously what has happened? Physical delivery of goods has happened. So this is called physical delivery. Yuvraj has handed over the Parle-G to Kaif. That is called physical delivery of goods. Physical delivery of goods. When I am handing over my thing to the other person, that is called physical delivery of goods. Very, very simple. And that physical delivery of goods is nothing but actual delivery. So in actual delivery, what happens, my dear friends? The goods are transferred physically from one person to the other person. Constructive delivery means what? Constructive delivery. I have a warehouse. Pakodanos. So PJ has a warehouse, right? I own a warehouse. I am the warehouse keeper. So here there are certain goods. These goods are kept there in the warehouse, no doubt. They are owned by Ramalingam. Owned by Ramalingam. So it's owned by Ramalingam, guys. So in his, what do you say? is a owner. So in my, I am a warehouse keeper, I will have something called as a warehouse receipt. Correct. In my warehouse receipt, I will write the owner's name as Ramalingam and give all the details of the goods, how much I have, everything I give. No problem. Now, Ramalingam sells the goods, whatever is there in the warehouse, almost like 5000 kg of goods. Ramalingam sells it to one more person. Mr. Samuel. So Ramalingam sells the goods to Samuel. Now, Samuel says, let the goods be there only, I don't want it. But of course, ownership should be transferred, possession should be transferred in a different way. I don't want to take physical possession of the goods. Ramalingam asks Samuel, sir, do you also have a warehouse? Samuel says, yes, I have a warehouse. But in transport cost from here to here is too much. Let it be in that warehouse only, it's okay. So Ramalingam tells PJ saying that, boss, I have already sold my goods to Samuel. So please change the name of the owner where? In the warehouse keeper's receipt. In the warehouse keeper's receipt, please change the name. So what will I do as a warehouse keeper? I will delete the name of Ramalingam and add the name of Samuel. Thereby saying that goods have been delivered in an implied manner, not express, implied. It is understood. Goods have been delivered in an implied manner. It is understood. Delivered in an implied manner. It is understood. Goods delivered in an implied manner. It is understood already, right? So that, my dear friends, is called as constructive delivery. Where the delivery has happened by acknowledgement. Delivery has happened by acknowledgement. What is acknowledgement? I have changed and given that to him. I have written the name and changed it over to him. Delivery has happened via acknowledgement. That's called delivery by acknowledgement. In actual delivery, goods are physically delivered to the buyer. In constructive delivery, when it is effected without any change in the custody, there is no change. It is called delivery by atonement, means acknowledgement. So in the warehouse keeper's receipt, it is acknowledged that owner is somebody else now. Third one is symbolic delivery. Sir, what are you doing, sir? So, though it doesn't look like it, assume this is Virat Kohli. Sir, from which angle it looks, sir? I assumed. Right? So, is VK. Virat Kohli wins the man of the match, man of the series, etc. So, he wins a car. Benz, Mercedes. Sir, it looks like some A. Doesn't look like anything. Mercedes only it is. So, tell me one thing. When Virat Kohli wins the, what do you say, Mercedes, will the crane come, take the Mercedes and throw it on him? No. Is it possible? Take it. Or what will they do? If you have seen, there will be one cardboard box which says man of the series, some 10 lakh rupees award, whatever. Then they will hand over a cardboard key. One big cardboard key. Can Virat Kohli take that cardboard key and start, try starting the car? No. Cardboard key, you cannot start the car. Crane, that whatever the, what do you say, the car, you cannot dump it on Virat Kohli. This giving of this particular key, it symbolizes something. It symbolizes something. I draw this in every class, same drawing, and it comes out the same way. Poor Virat Kohli. Right? So, when I hand over that particular key, my dear friends, key, it is a symbolic way, it's just a gesture, symbolic way of telling that I am handing over the key to you, which means that you are the owner of the car. That is called symbolic delivery. Correct? So, first is actual delivery, that is physical transfer. Next is constructive delivery, that is implied transfer. Third one is symbolic way of telling. It's a symbolic way of telling, saying that, look, I have handed over the thing to you. What? The key. So, if you see here, my dear friends, when there is a delivery of a thing in token of transfer of something else, that is delivery of goods in transit may be made by handing over the documents, or for that matter in this example, Ramalingam and Samuel can come in front of the warehouse and Ramalingam can hand over the warehouse key to Samuel. I cannot hand over the entire warehouse, I will just hand over the key. Ramalingam will hand over the normal key to the keys of the warehouse to Samuel. That, my dear friends, is called as symbolic delivery. Symbolic delivery, where handing over the key. Here, constructed delivery is what? Where just the warehouse keeper will change the receipt. Symbolic delivery is, it symbolizes something. I am giving you an action. I am doing an action. What is that action? Using a symbol. So, it symbolically says, that I am handing over the key. Right? So, these three, my dear friends, are called as delivery of goods, actual delivery, constructive delivery, symbolic delivery of goods. Hope you understood. So guys, what are you waiting for? Step number 1, go to Unacademy Learning app. Step number 2, hit install. That's it. That's all you need to do. And go to CA Foundation Plus and check out these two subscription plans, Plus and Iconic. I told you the difference. My personal suggestion would be go with the 24 months plan. Why? I'll tell you why. Because with the Iconic subscription, you will get 12 months. There is a combo, guys. CA Foundation and Intermediate. 12 months combo, 24 months combo. If you take the 24 months combo, the good thing is you'll also get time to study intermediate also. So we have the CA Foundation and Inter combo both in Plus as well as Iconic. And dear friends, there is something called as Unacademy Combat Scholarship Test every Sunday at 12 p.m. Participate in the quiz, and if you get good results, if your rank is 1 to 3, then 4 to 10, 11 to 50 and 51 to 200, amazing scholarships. You're getting 50% off, 25% off. Enroll now. The code would be PJ Sir Law. And dear friends, if you go to my channel on Unacademy, I'll tell you more about it. Before that, as I told you, limited time offer. If you buy for 12 months, you'll get 2 months free. Same for both the Iconic and the Plus subscription. But I would request you go for the 24 months plan, because you'll get not only foundation but also time to finish your CA Inter. Please, please, please guys, follow me on unacademy.com/Punarvas Jaikumar. Please do that. Please follow me. It will help me also. And you obviously can check out all the special classes that I've released. So guys, as I told you, without fail, please follow me on unacademy.com/Punarvas Jaikumar. If you don't know what to do, go to any of my videos and check out the link here. Punarvas Jaikumar Sir's Unacademy profile. Once you click on that, it will take you here where you will see all my followers. You please follow me and you will see my special classes. Free classes. To enter the class, you just need to put the code PJ Sir Law. If you want a discount, you have to put the code PJ Sir Law. If you want this, you have to just put the code PJ Sir Law. Very, very, very simple, my dear friends. Extremely simple. And also, if you see here, any combo subscription or intermediate plus, and we have the Iconic for CA Foundation and Intermediate, all you need to do is just pick a plan. And once you say pick a plan, in this referral code, all you need to do is PJ Sir Law. And magic, you will get 10% off. So this is all you need to do, my dear friends. Very, very simple. Thank you so much for watching this video, my dear friends. Please, please, please subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell icon, because any important video released by me or any of the educators on this CA Foundation and Academy English channel, you will get a notification. Please like this video, share it among your friends, and also please leave your comments in the comment section. If you want to watch any special class of mine on the Unacademy platform, the code is PJ Sir Law. If you want to buy any product, the code is PJ Sir Law to get a 10% discount. Please download the Unacademy Learners app, and in the special class you can also get all the notes as well. You can download. On that note, see you until next time, my dear friends. Love you all. Bye, my CA warriors. Cheers.